Good morning. It is the last full day of the cruise, and I'm just sitting in the garden cafe eating breakfast. And I have pancakes with my butter, cinnamon roll, and a cherry Danish.
Once again, our second question is, what is the ballet turn for a full 360-degree turn on one foot? Moving on to number 4. Which Great Lakes state has more shoreline than the entire U.S. Atlantic seaboard? For the first thing that we will do, we will create a triangle, right? We'll create a triangle, there we go. Make sure each point is perfectly aligned before you press and you freeze. Okay, we fold like this. We go all the way down. We open the triangle. We flip to the side. And you see where we have the dotted line? We will make the exact opposite. Why? Because once we open it back, we want it to be looking like a cross in between the papers. So now I open and we do our next one. Before we press and create a crease, we actually make sure both create a little rectangle. How? With the square, we go all the way to the middle. Once again, we always make sure it's perfectly aligned. We hold on both ends and we create another dotted line. There we go. Perfect. Open, and now we go all the way here and let these two meet the end. You see where it's the line here? Let me go from there to you so we can have a look. So we make these two meet in the end. Wow. So, let me see here. Hold on, let me see first. 1 second. You got it good. Perfect. So now, we already have this, right? Now what do? We open. And in this position, look at me. In this position, what we will do, we create one here and press, right, like this. We make another one,
then I'll call you
and press.
Okay, so I have it like this.
So now, following the same one, you come here. And then you go here. Both of them should meet in the middle.
Okay, thank you.
Amazing, there we go. Two should be looking like this. Got it? Good job. Okay, next step.
So like this? So do you want to do it like that?
Hold on.
So I did it like
Yes, you got that. You did. You got that.
So like this?
Yeah, but one is bigger than the
Yeah,
other.
that's true.
Okay, let me see. Good job. Fantastic. Now, squeeze it in. Just like this. And you see, it's going to focus this already. There we go. You got it.
I hope this is somewhat right.
Okay, where are we? We need help. I'm going to do it. So, you open that, you're going to do You just do it, good. So now, you hold it, and once you start squeezing it in, you will see it's going to take the shape of the top.
Oh, I did it different. Oh, I redid this one. So we don't perfectly fold it right. That's okay.
Welcome you to the Battle of the Cake Masters. We are going to make we call Black Forest cake. First, we're going to cut our cake into 3 slices using this turntable, so you can cut even slices like this way.
Mine's gone a little funny there.
I have a feeling it's not coming very even.
No, it's mine.
It's gonna end up with a spark.
I think I'll go It's alright, it's on the bottom, nobody will
Yes.
see that.
No, slices.
You didn't see that.
Okay, all the same procedure from the first.
She forgot.
Yes.
I'm up to speed. How do you think we're doing so far, Carlos?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yeah. Right, you're doing good. Right.
We're doing good.
Yes.
You can always cheat with the extra cream. You fill in the gaps.
Do you want to get that little section? I'm going to go this way.
It's gonna be good.
Push it down to make it more
It'll taste
even.
the same.
Then
I think mine might be heavier than everybody else's for some reason.
You have to lift it up. I don't know, I'm
it's,
afraid.
if you can carry your cake a bit up, it's fine. If you can't, it's okay.
Oh God. I looked at it. Hey, listen. I'm not stupid. I'm from New York. I may look stupid. But I'm not.
Quickly! And then we can put it down, yeah? Oops. Nothing to see.
You're not putting any chocolate on top?
Yeah, but it will work. Then after that, if you are finishing all those chocolate flakes on the side of our cake, we're going to make some design on the top using this piping mug.
Oh, I thought we were literally finished.
New gloves.
I think you're finished. We're still working.
Using this piping bag, just hang on the piping bag in your hand so you can easily put the cream on the side.
Get new gloves.
Okay? Just put it
Yeah, mine looks identical to yours,
Yes.
I think. Yeah, just don't look at that bit there on the side. Wait, I'm just going to keep mine like that.
Can we give our cake away?
No, not those ones. Hey, Alicia.
So as you saw from my morning activities, I did trivia, and then there was an origami box that I made, and then I just came from Battle of the Cake Masters. It was a lot of fun to watch, and now I'm gonna I'm in my room and I'm going to do some more packing since we're getting off the ship tomorrow, and it's kind of bittersweet that we're getting off tomorrow. Like, we've been gone, I think, 27 days at this point. And yeah, so we have 2 more days left and we're gone 29 days. Like, I'm really looking forward to seeing my cat at home. Some wonderful people have been taking care of her. I've had 3 different sets of people because we've been gone so long. But like, we've also made some really good friends on the cruise, and they live far away. So it's like, we don't get to see them every day, but we're gonna stay in touch. So it's that bittersweet feeling of like, we've had a great time, but I feel like I'm ready to go home, and I know my dad feels like he's ready to go home. So it's just that bittersweet of like, oh, I wish we could stay, but we also want to go home too. So I'm basically finished packing, except for my backpack. So I have my carry-on, and I literally had to like lay on top of it so that I could fit everything in it. I had to take this sweater out, but other than that, everything fit. And then I have my under the plane luggage. It was 49.6 pounds, but I took Uno cards out and everything I've won, and I put my Uno cards in here, and I got it down to 47 point something. And then everything I won is in that bag, which will go in my backpack. Same with these, and then same with these, this, and my water, and most likely this, and then my toothpaste and all of that stuff, and then I'm fully packed. So I just have last minute stuff to do, and it is only 12:25 in the afternoon, and I have the whole afternoon and whole evening and whole morning starting at 4:30 tomorrow to see the Statue of Liberty to enjoy myself. So this afternoon I almost finished packing. It's just the last minute stuff that I need. And then I went to play Deal or No Deal, and I bought 6 cards, and I won 2 instant win cards, and I won $0 from those. And then I won a free photo, but we took all the photos last cruise, so I was like, is there anything else you can give me? So he gave me 2 free photos of the ship, and then I also won $50 once, and then I won it another time. And then, because I bought 2 packages, I got raffle tickets for the Win a Cruise, and I did not win. And I also got to chat with Mary and Ron this afternoon. And now I am going back to our room to check in for our flights tomorrow. So I just said goodbye to Mary and Ron, and now I'm walking on my floor, and it's so sad to see all the luggage being left at the door. We're not leaving our luggage out, we're doing self-assist. So we're gonna try and get off around 8 to 8:15 tomorrow.